goes the Albatross. This is the Grumman. Albatross, of course, serves with the Air Force, the Navy, the Coast Guard, lots of different countries, including Canada. Big old amphibian. I see across the way what looks like another B-25. And of course,